Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized, no censorship or hard caps apply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. This video is sponsored by Vacation Genie. We believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Thursday. And just a reminder, this is our last show of the week. Tomorrow, there is no show. And I just want to say hello, everyone, and thank you guys for being so amazing. Guys, we have a lot to discuss today, including going over Bitcoin price. We hit a new all-time high yesterday of about $112,152, according to Coinbase. We have some Dubai news. We also have a few other countries we're going to dive into. We got Australia and their CBDCs. We also have Polymarket, maybe commenting on Ben Armstrong, aka BitBoy. Guys, there is a picture circulating of him, and I'm going to show it very briefly. But again, like, I'm not throwing shade on the man, and I think people should be a lot. I don't even know. I'm not going to say anything. Staying neutral. Okay. Then Justin Sun also making a $100 million investment into Trump and trying to promote Trump token. And then we do have digital asset taxes being discussed next week, as well as yesterday there was a Senate hearing that Brad Garlinghouse was at, and there was a comedic moment that I'm going to share. There's also a price prediction of $6 for XRP, which we will go over very briefly. And for our spotlight today, we do have Rumble. This is breaking news this morning. Rumble partnering with MoonPay for their creator wallet. So we're going to dive into all of this, plus your coins to watch. So, if you're ready for the Zest and Newsy education, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends, and say good morning over in the chat. As I say good morning to you and you say good morning to me, check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Vacation Genie and go ahead and book your cruise with crypto. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of 22,280 subscribers. So let's make sure we could get after it. I know you guys have been really enjoying the shorts, and the shorts have been doing very well on the channel. So thank you guys for supporting those and continuing to subscribe from there, because we've been getting... What? TikTok died? TikTok... Oh, okay. I thought something went wrong with TikTok. But yeah, we're gonna go off. So please make sure if you guys see any videos, tweets, pictures, posting on any of my social media, that you smash the like and comment on it, because it really does help push our information into that algorithm. And so we're gonna say good morning to everyone. All right, we got Barenko, Mark Smithson, Shadow, Mama Shadow, Alexandra G, my G. We got Jesse, Aquarian, Nick. Good morning. As always, thank you to Black Hat. We have Team JFK. Good morning, David Bowles. Gary's on multiple platforms this morning. Lasers, go pew pew. Good morning. We do have, who else? Peace of my mind. Hello, welcome. What tea will Randy spill for us today? I actually love that. Tyler Fitzpatrick, good morning. Mike Volmer. I know Mike is going to be disappointed. I got Dutch Bros today, but I got a free drink, a free medium drink. You guys always know I get smalls, but I got a free medium drink today, so I claimed that because why don't we use our points out here? Right, Yukio, that's sitting there on X. Good morning. We got Elric. Good morning. Doge Bull M2. Mike Mazzone is over on X. Good morning. Curtis Hill. Good morning. We got Poe. Tex-Mex Biomax. Nice to see you. We have Crypto Surfer in the chat as well. Nice to see you. Based Bailey is here. Let's see. Crypto Princess, good morning. Sean Harris. Giver's Gain is here. Good morning. We love our Giver Gain. Let's see. Who else? Alex Collingborn is on X. Good morning to you. Armand, good morning. Oh, okay. All right. Vacation Genie, hello over there on X. Guys, we love Vacation Genie. Everyone say hello to Vacation Genie. We got BBB over there. BBB, so nice to see you, bro. Always good to see you. Keen Bean is here. Sola Hefe. Anthony S. I think I got everyone. But if I missed you, feel free to yell at me in the chat and I will get back to you. Let's get after it. Smash the like, subscribe, and share. Also, again, TikTok, behave yourselves or else I'm turning it off and I'm not even going to say anything. You're just going to see my finger going towards the screen and it's going to be bye, bloop. See ya. So behave yourselves. Okay, guys, we are going to get after it. Here's a quick market recap. Like I said, we're not going to do a long show today. Yeah, we're going to keep it short, sweet, to the point. And let's do it. So we have M, just meme core, M, up 84% today. I don't know if I haven't even heard of this one. So if you guys are investing in it, then let me know. We got Pengu up around 30% today, WIF up 12.7. The whole market looking pretty good today as Bitcoin hit all-time highs yesterday at $112,152. Sorry, I had a little hiccup. $112,152 is our new all-time high. And again, like what were we saying? If we had a confident push above that 109 through 110, we were going to tap that 112, and that's literally exactly what happened. So we love that we have good feelings and vibes on this channel. So our little drawing really played out. Just have a moment for that. We love when our drawings play out. We love that so much. Ricky Ricardo, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. You thought TikTok was majority female? Not in these live streams, I'll tell you that. But the latest on Bitcoin is that this green dot is playing out. At the moment, we're sitting at $110,872, down 0.37%. This green dot is printed, looking good, bringing up that momentum, money flow as well, following it slightly with the VWAP increasing in Zest. We have the RSI here that is bullish, pulling back ever so slightly. Again, the fact that we did hit all-time highs and we weren't even close to overbought, I find extremely bullish because, again, that shows we have more room to run to the upside. So extremely bullish on Bitcoin right now. Again, majority of the market looks nice and clean. It's green, and so we're going to hope it remains that way. Bears did lose yesterday big time, $400 million in liquidations, and it's the largest since May. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, a bunch of alt did make a nice little pump yesterday. So just keep note, again, when we are in price discovery mode, please make sure you are being careful, especially if you are trading with leverage. Most people should have nothing to do with leverage except that they do, and they try to mess around. And then what happens when you mess around? You find out. So please make sure you be careful. Bullish, bearish case scenario. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and all of those good things. We're going to go into our breaking news headlines. Of course, we're going internationally first. We're going to Dubai and then Australia, then back into the U.S. So if you're ready for all of it, smash a like, subscribe, sip your coffees, and let's get into your breaking news headlines starting right now. Guys, we have Dubai's Emirates Airlines. Everyone always wants to fly Emirates. Not going to lie, I kind of want to do first class on Emirates one day. Seems very bougie. Give you some caviar. You know, I want some caviar. Maybe some creme fraiche on a little cracker. I'll take some of that. I see a lot of videos on TikTok. Yeah, I do. And apparently, they're exploring a cryptocurrency partnership with Crypto.com, which, again, Crypto.com is making headwinds all over the world, especially within the Donny T family as well. So here's the latest with that. And would you pay for your airplane ticket with crypto. Put a 1 or yes emoji or 2 or no emoji, especially because you can now pay with your cruises with crypto. Pay for your cruises with crypto with Vacation Genie. Dubai-based Emirates Airlines unveiled a plan to introduce crypto payments for its customers as part of a preliminary deal with digital asset exchange Crypto.com, and the parties signed a memorandum of understanding, an MOU, to explore integrating their Crypto.com Pay into Emirates payment systems, with plans to roll out the feature sometime next year. And if completed, it would make Emirates one of the first major global carriers to support crypto as payment. Emirates Deputy President and CCO Adnan Kazim said the move is part of a broader strategy to meet evolving customer preferences and tapping into a younger, tech-savvy customer segments who prefer digital currencies for payments. Oh, Emirates. Oh, Emirates, hello, I'm one of those younger people that like digital currency. And I think it would be so great if they ended up exploring digital currency payments. It's inevitable. It's just a matter of who does it first, and once other companies see that this one company that did it first is getting so much business, they'll follow suit. It's the same thing how I feel about Steak and Shake accepting Bitcoin payments for your burgers, your fries, your milkshakes, all those things. I love Steak and Shake. And then other companies are going to follow suit. And it's crazy because I was talking to other companies similar to Steak and Shake long time ago, and they were like, oh, we don't know about Bitcoin, we don't know about crypto payments. I was like, someone's going to do it before you, and you're going to be sad that happened. And Steak and Shake took that #1 hit. And so good for Steak and Shake, because now they're seeing, again, the pros of crypto payments, eliminating all these fees, how fast it is, and a whole new customer base that you're opening the doors to. So very smart marketing on whoever integrates Bitcoin and crypto payments. No matter how they do it, it'll happen. All right. Smash the like, subscribe, share. Let's do it. We're going to talk about Australia. Now, we could also look at Australia Central. I'm going to see if I could pull up an article. Okay, so I love showing you guys my Google searches because I just want to show you how easy it is to find things out here. And even if something isn't true, like you make up something out of the blue and you're like, is this real? Type it in the freaking Google and find out, right? So Australia's central bank is to explore developing wholesale tokenized markets, right? And they're looking into CBDCs and stablecoins. So I'm going to show you this and show you something else. Ready? Here's the latest thing. The Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA, is going to explore the development of wholesale tokenized asset markets alongside industry participants. Now, Project Acacia is going to use stablecoins, pilot wholesale CBDCs, and bank deposit tokens in 24 use cases of tokenizing a range of asset classes, such as fixed income and private markets. Now, ASIC, basically their equivalent of their SEC, is also providing regulatory relief to streamline the pilot, which isn't that so interesting? All of a sudden, their SEC or ASIC in Australia is like, yeah, man, like, let's just clear the way. Why would they do that if they don't already know what the outcome would be? Well, okay, let's look back in the timeline here to 2023. And again, you could find this yourself. Google MasterCard Australia Central Bank CBDC. Oh, there you go. Going back to October of 2023. MasterCard demonstrates interoperable CBDC for trusted Web3 commerce in Australia and beyond. Keep in mind, though, that CBDCs have nothing to really do with crypto or Web3 because CBDCs don't have the requirement of including DLT, distributed ledger technology, meaning they don't have to be public and they could be private permissioned blockchains, which is the exact opposite of what we stand for, correct? And so going back here, again, MasterCard participated in the RBA's and Digital Finance Cooperative Research Centers, the DFCRC's CBDC pilot project, explored potential use cases for CBDC in Australia.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Happy Thursday, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Poe. Happy Thursday. So I'm showing you here right now, plain and obvious, that in 2023, they already did pilot programs for CBDCs with MasterCard. So you're going ahead and with this headline telling me today on July 10th of 2025 that they're just testing wholesale CBDCs for testing? Bull. I absolutely love when they plug out these headlines. Oh, this is just such a new idea. We're doing testing for like the first time. Not that we haven't been doing this since 2023 with MasterCard. And even before that, probably with other banks as well. So stop the madness, see right through the absolute BS, and know that this is not something new. And whenever they put out these headlines, think about how long ago they were actually doing things like this. Australia, the BOE, the Bank of England, so many other central banks, they've been testing for years, before 2020 even. And they're going to go and tell you that this is something new? No, it's not. So I just wanted to shine some light on that because it's absolute blasphemy. Now, before we get into United States news, I just want to go ahead and mention this really quick because everyone is talking about it on X, and I feel like it's not the best topic ever. But Ben Armstrong, formerly known as BitBoy, or still known as BitBoy, he reclaimed BitBoy and whatever, I don't know. But Ben Armstrong, again, I've known him for a long time. Him and I are chill. Never has done anything bad to me. So I got no negative things to say about him. But Polymarket tweeted that things aren't looking so bright for him. And there's a 74% chance that he's convicted. And there are people betting on him since this headshot of him came out yesterday. Now, again, it's hard looking at the timeline. I'm not going to say anything bad about him or anybody. So that's just it. That's the latest on Ben Armstrong, BitBoy. He has been, I guess, in custody for quite a while, as we have heard. And so this is the latest on Ben Armstrong. And I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Yeah, it is sad to see what happened to him, and I really do hope that he recovers with whatever he's going through. So prayers up for him. So hopefully he could go ahead and take care of himself and his family after hopefully all of this is resolved. So I don't wish anything bad on anyone anywhere, and so I just want to throw that out there right now. So there you go. Yep. Yeah, BBB, you know. You were the one that gave me that top secret live stream from the BIS. We know. We already know. Thank you, BBB. BBB, that resource carries me. It really does. Like, that one link really proved so much. So, here we go. We're going to go talk about more things. Justin Sun wants to make Trump token a global standard and a global crypto brand with $100 million buy. Justin Sun's pockets are unlimited. Like, you're gonna like look at like how like I don't even know how far the sun is, and like Justin Sun's pile of cash like goes all the way up there. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. Justin Sun, again, he had made $100 million Trump token buy for a strategic alignment with the administration's pro-crypto stance. And so this is just ridiculous. So Trump meme tweeted that they're excited that Justin Sun is buying $100 million of Trump token. And so he also purchased $75 million worth of WLFI token in multiple tranches. And so Sun said that the Trump token originally issued on Solana would be bridged to Tron using layer 0. So ultimately, Justin Sun has deep pockets, and he went ahead and bought Trump token probably to give more clout to Tron, which is smart at the end of the day. Like, this man, he's a businessman, and he absolutely knows what he's doing. Justin Sun is a very controversial figure in this space, and I feel like people are almost jealous of Justin Sun just because of how much money he has and how much of a movement he can make in this space. Although you got to give Tron the props where it is where it is given. Like, you know what I mean? You got to give them props. Like, Tron is fast, it's cheap, and it gets the job done. So I got to make sure I could give them props for that. Anyway, we're going to have Crypto Week next week. There's going to be the CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act, which I view as the most important thing that comes out of next week, just because, again, we need to officially ban CBDCs in the United States so that way no other administration can come in and overrule or say Trump's EO doesn't matter and bring in a CBDC. We do not want a CBDC in this country. It will be the end of America and the freedom as we know it. And so crypto taxes are going to be brought up next week. Cynthia Lummis has brought up something where a threshold of $300 of smaller payments would not need to really be factored into your taxes, right? So it would set a threshold of that $300 on crypto transactions that would need to factor into a user's tax calculations, freeing up people's small day-to-day transactions from capital gains headaches, limited to a total of $5,000 per year. So that's huge as well. But I believe it's only the beginning if we end up going down that route. I think the threshold should be a lot higher. A member for a year, Juanito, already said, can I get a hoi? Oh, I almost did it. I'm not doing it. That's so funny, though. I'll give you a hooray. But yeah, absolutely hilarious. That's too funny. It gives me middle school flashbacks. Anyway, we're going to keep on going here. We do have Brad Garlinghouse yesterday. A little comedic moment at the Senate hearing. This is just too funny. And this was all about crypto and the craziness in this space. Casper did it for me, by the way. Take a look at this. This was too good. Our government is like a soap opera.
Why do you think the crypto industry is buying Senator Gillibrand?
I said, look at the campaign contributions from this industry.
You think they bought her?
No, I said, look at the campaign
You
contributions.
said they bought her. Do you think they...
Look at campaign. Listen, if you're talking about our campaign, donations for crypto in this past ELECTION, then you should go and look back in time at every year in Big Pharma. Then we'll have something to talk about. Stupid.
Senator, you need to focus on this bill instead of trying to distort my Twitter.
Last time one of my
you
colleagues
were quoting
crook,
what a Marxist in Chicago said
and
about
what evidence do you
make
have
no
that she's
sense.
a crook?
I said there is massive amount of campaign contributions coming into this Congress from the crypto industry.
Do you want to apologize
to
Senator Gillibrand?
I do not want you to have to apologize for passing legislation
Do you want to
that
apologize
destroys
to
our
Senator
economy.
Gillibrand for calling her
You
a
are
crook?
distorting what I said, just like you did in the last hearing. You're wasting everybody's time, Senator.
You're a whack job.
Senator,
You are a
wasting.
majorly
Well, I think we are.
next
I
level
think we.
whack job.
I think we
Is
are.
this middle school, Senator?
Senators and witness. Thank you both.
I
for
think
your
you
part-
should apologize, Senator
I think,
Gillibrand.
Senator, you're wasting our time. This is not middle school.
Thank you for your participation. I will say that Senator Smith is next. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ms.
Oh, little Brad. Brad was having a moment there. Just crazy. Absolutely wild. And so Brad Garlinghouse was at that hearing yesterday. Whack job. That was just too funny, dude. XRP traders, speaking of XRP and Ripple, are targeting $6 as Ripple's RLUSD passes that $500 million in market cap, which is relatively small compared to, Circle and Tether. However, they did have their banking partnership that they announced yesterday with BNY Mellon. As well as today, there might be a little announcement with the SEC and Ripple and the whole case that's going on there. And so hopefully that comes to an actual conclusion. Looking over here at XRP today, above that 200-day SMA, closing above it yesterday with a closing of about $2.40. Today we're at $2.43, up 1%. Again, you want to close above this 200-day SMA for well over a week to feel happy and comfy. 255, I would say even more of 275 is our golden zone to go ahead and hold support and target that $3.40 all-time high for XRP. But it seems like everything is playing out quite nice for all the XRP people that are looking for that good price action. Now, again, if we reject that 200-day SMA, that's at $2.36. We are looking at $1.80 as your bearish scenario here. Also, taking a gander at market Cipher, everything is just taking off, except that the money flow is not yet green. It is really close to that, so just keep calm, hodl on, stay zesty, all the things. Also, we are almost overbought on this RSI with XRP, so you're going to want that to pull back just a little bit. I always say, like, whatever goes up comes back down, and so especially with an RSI pump, we always see the RSI fly and come back and kind of humble everybody, and so that's what we're looking for. So please smash the like, subscribe, and share. We are going to go into our spotlight today, which is Rumble and MoonPay. And we do love Rumble. We are at how many followers on Rumble? Let's go check out our Rumble stream right now. Rumble, we're at over 1,000 followers. over on Rumble. So thank you to everyone that goes and follows us on Rumble. If you guys are wondering, then here's our link to our Rumble channel. We love Rumble. Shout out to Rumble. Looking over here at the latest with Rumble, Rumble's tapping MoonPay for a crypto wallet partnership ahead of a Q3 launch. Take a gander. We're also on the editor's picks page of Rumble. Thank you, Black Hat. Oopsie. Spotlight starts now. Rumble is a free speech video platform primarily for live content, including our channel that's often spotlighted on Rumble, and thank you to the Rumble team for that. Rumble is tapping MoonPay, and this is a major partnership that I wanted to share with you guys. Take a look at this. Video sharing platform Rumble is striking a deal with crypto payments provider MoonPay for their upcoming crypto wallet. The Rumble wallet, scheduled to go live in the third quarter, will integrate MoonPay's infrastructure to handle seamless conversions between digital assets and fiat currency, and will let users buy, sell, and swap crypto directly on their platform, aiming to give creators more control over how they're paid. The CEO and founder, Chris Pavlovsky of Rumble, says Rumble Wallet will change the game for creators, and MoonPay is the perfect partner for bringing that vision to life. We're not just building tools, we're building freedom. And I think that's absolutely beautiful. And Tether also bought a $775 million stake in Rumble. And so this is huge. So we know Tether's involved, we know MoonPay is involved, and these are highly reputable people in the crypto space. So I'm very bullish on Rumble, very, very bullish on them, on being a major platform for content and creators and for free speech, because we love free speech. And currently, one of our main platforms, the YouTube, doesn't really like free speech or cryptocurrency, and so why don't we go to a platform that does embrace us? And we are on that platform, aka Rumble. I'm very bullish on Rumble. Very, very bullish. If you could also donate in Litecoin, that's dope. I would love to get some Litecoin super chats again. That was a great time before my Coinbase went kaplu. Anyways, that's our spotlight for today. Shout out to Rumble. Rumble's amazing. They're also publicly traded. We could look at their stock too. Let's look at Rumble stock. Hold on. Rumble on the NASDAQ, my friends. Critical levels right now for Rumble. Let's check it out. Here we go. $9.20 for Rumble. 0.55% in the green. We're at $9.19. Right above that 200-day SMA, which is at $8.56. If we reject that, we're looking at $8.14 bullish. We're looking at $10.43 for Rumble. Seems like it's just chilling there as of right now. But we love Rumble. Rumble. Get ready to rumble. The ticker for Rumble is RUM. It's rum. You could think of it like what goes in your pina colada when you're at a beach resort. Rum. Right? It's rum that goes in the pina colada. Am I messing that up? I don't do alcohol like that. Is that what's in it? It's rum, right? Except if you want it without the alcohol, you obviously do it without the rum. But I absolutely love pina coladas. Like, it's like a little like coconut, like almost like a little slushy. I love it. Love it. It's also so sweet. It really hits the spot sometimes. Anyway, let's keep on going, guys. We have our spotlight. Not our spotlight, our coins to watch. Sorry, I'm a little like off today, guys. We do have our coins to watch, so we'll dive into that in a few charts. Again, we don't have a show tomorrow, so just keep that. Also, guys, we have 22,275 subscribers. I'm hoping that somehow, some way, we can hit 22,300 over the weekend. It would be beautiful. Crypto Princess has a premiere. Oh, shoot. I did not set the... Hold on. Let me make sure the stream reads in there after. Okay, it's not redirected. Let me make sure I take care of that really quick. Where's her live stream? Cassius, I see his face. Okay, beautiful. Guys, we love Cassius. Cassius made Bitcoin Besties, our beautiful song. Pew, 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 pew. So catch Cassius and Crypto Princess after this.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Anyway, guys, we have 5 more likes until 100. We love Crypto Princess. We love Cassius. So after the stream ends, you'll be redirected and sent over there. We're going to go ahead and do our... Oh, hello, Alex Crypto. Thank you for subscribing. I see you. See? Look. We got that 6 right there. All right. We're going to go into our coins to watch. Let's do it. Leading the gainers today is Pengu up 27%, Dog with Hat up 14%, Fartcoin up 10.8%, XDC up 9.5%, and then we have Sui up 9.4%. Also leading the losers is Crow down 2.2%, Dexy down 1.8%, Av down 1.6%, Bitcoin Cash down 0.78%, and Uniswap down 0.74%. All right, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum hit $2,800. Everyone was losing their minds. Again, look at our levels, man, manifesting with that heart on the chart. Passing confidently that 2660, pimping to about $2,800. Again, our high was around 2820, I want to say. And so very good. We want to hold this level. We want to stay above 2660, especially above this 200-day SMA. Again, if we have that confident push, we're looking for $3,000 ETH, which is a major psychological level. The chart looks good. We're at $2,790 at the moment, up 0.72%. Money flow seems a little bit flat with that VWAP, yet they are bullish, so we'll take it. Momentum post-green dot is soaring. We also have that RSI that is not even overbought yet. Again, screaming that we have room to run, and hopefully we see that $3,000 ETH come about. Now, over the weekend, it might be a little bit slow. Tomorrow, it might pick up just a little bit, but I don't really expect much on Fridays going into the weekend. And so we absolutely love our hearts. We love manifesting on charts. Litecoin is $90. Again, 91 is our bullish scenario. At the moment, we're at 90.90. Which is cool. We're up 0.29%. So again, over the weekend, we're manifesting that 200-day SMA. That's at $97, which is our level to watch, $97.98. And your bearish level to watch is $84. So just watch out for these levels. It's looking good. We're building up some momentum, quite literally green dot printed, moving up. VWAP looks good. Money flow needs some work. And the RSI is also looking quite nice. It is mid-bull. Again, showing we have a lot of room to run. So I hope that room takes us to $100 Litecoin. That is a major psychological level to watch. Thank you for the compliments on my doodle. I love to doodle on the charts. They really do work. Our doodles work. Is Monero the best one to invest in? Well, I think Monero is just privacy money for the most part. So if it's something you're looking at investment-wise, there aren't a lot of charts out there to watch. But Monero, I think, is going to play a huge role in this space, and I think it always has. So I do like Monero. And Cake Wallet is a huge proponent of Monero. Cake Wallet, our sponsor, was actually the first Monero-only wallet that was open source, and now obviously they have expanded into other tokens and coins. But if you want a good Monero wallet that's open source and clean and very reputable in the space, I would look at Cake. Cakewallet.com. That's it. Variety. I've always been here, my friend. Just make sure you're following and always smashing the like so I keep popping up in your feed. But yeah, guys, also please make sure if you haven't yet, smash the like, subscribe, and share, especially when it comes down to our beautiful other social media platforms. If you guys see a post by me, it always helps when you smash the like, you comment, and if you share, it's even more helpful, just because it takes a few seconds of your time, and it also helps this channel spread our words of positivity, Bitcoin, and crypto into the entire world. And so I'm very bullish on all of you. I'm bullish on crypto. I am bullish on the fact that we are changing the world with a revolution that literally nobody can stop. So Cake Wallet is very reputable. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. An OG wallet at that. One of the OGs. Cake and Rumble for the win. Cheers. No, we're doing really well here. And so we're changing the game here in crypto. A lot of institutional adoption, a lot of major platforms coming in and using Bitcoin and crypto, especially within business. And I think this is just the beginning of it all. So I'm excited. I think, throughout the rest of 2025 and going into 2026, crypto payments will be huge. And people, even now that I'm thinking about it, people asked me before 2025, what are we going to see a lot? And I said crypto payments are going to be the next thing for the next year or two. And so the fact that we're seeing it now and like predictions are predictioning happening, bullish, absolutely bullish. So I'm very happy. I'm very pleased with what's going on here. And I'm very happy that everybody here is happy. We're all hopefully healthy. I'm praying for everyone's health. But I am very bullish on Bitcoin. I am very bullish on crypto. And again, the revolution we are bringing about here is the most important thing because we want to help the unbanked. We want to help people realize that they could be self-sovereign individuals through digital currency. And especially for the people that are unbanked, right? We want to serve those people the most. Those are the people that really need Bitcoin and crypto. So if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends. I hope you have a happy Thursday. Like I said, tomorrow there is no show. So no show tomorrow. We're getting after it. I apologize that this was short, but again, I try to give you guys a warning at the beginning. But I have a few things that I need to take care of. So please make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe, and share. We're going to get after it. Again, tomorrow we are going to have no show. So I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, and I will most likely be posting tomorrow. I don't disappear ever, so I'll be posting as usual. So except there is no live stream. So have a beautiful day. Again, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys mean the entire world to me, and I will fight until my very last breath to be here with you. So thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Happy Thursday, and have a beautiful weekend and a happy Friday tomorrow. Stay zesty. Mwah. Peace.